Cuisinart Hurricane Pro is both powerful and versatile, combining all of the things you need to get really great results in the kitchen. It also has a 100 recipe handbook, which is really convenient because it gives you everything from smoothies to dips and sauces. I love this machine. From the 1.9 liter jar to the 3.5 peak horsepower motor, everything about the Hurricane Pro has been engineered for simplicity. It has a 2-ounce measuring cup built right into the lid, and then a lid that affixes so firmly that won't let anything spill out. The 6-pronged stainless blades inside are powerful and make it easy to go through many difficult ingredients. And then the base. The Cuisinart Signature LCD and electronic touchpad makes it easy to use and to keep clean. And then the dial allows you to dial between 1500 RPM all the way up to 24,000 RPM. And with the touch of a button, you can hit turbo and elevate it to 30,000 RPM, giving you the power to get through any of those difficult ingredients. The Cuisinart Hurricane Pro offers 2 preset smoothie options. Press once for fruit smoothies, a second time for green smoothies, such as this Kale-licious smoothie. Preset times can be adjusted, and our unique memory function saves the time until you change it. This blender is perfect for making fresh, homemade dips like this hummus. Serve this brightly flavored dip with warm pitas for a satisfying snack. Milkshakes are so much fun at any age. Create your own shake by using different ice cream flavors, fruits, and cookies. The possibilities are endless. The soup preset runs for 6 minutes. This is ideal for processing and heating your ingredients to the perfect temperature for serving. From smoothies to soups, dips, shakes, and everything in between, the Hurricane Pro can do it all.